Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the top 5 best free CAD software for DIY engineering projects. Number 5. FreeCAD. FreeCAD stands as the undisputed heavyweight of the open-source world, offering a parametric powerhouse that doesn't believe in charging you for the luxury of professional engineering. It operates with a modular workbench system, allowing you to jump from 2D sketching to complex 3D modeling as if you are moving between different rooms in a massive digital workshop. The software uses real-world units for everything, so if you design a bracket to be exactly 3.5 inches wide, it stays that way across every tool in the suite. Finite element analysis tools let you check if your DIY shelf will actually hold your heavy book collection, or if it will simply fold under the pressure like a cheap lawn chair. It even includes a dedicated BIM workbench for those times you decide to stop building small gadgets and start redesigning your entire house. While the user interface might look like it was designed by a group of engineers who view beauty as a distraction, the sheer depth of its features is enough to make any weekend tinkerer weep with joy. This reliable companion runs on almost any hardware, ensuring your older laptop doesn't catch fire while you are trying to innovate. Number 4. Fusion 360. Fusion 360 acts like the sleek, high-tech relative who shows up to your DIY project with a suitcase full of gadgets and a smile. It blends professional-grade CAD, CAM, and simulation into one cloud-based smoothie, making the journey from a rough idea to a 3D printed reality feel suspiciously smooth. The personal use license is a generous gift to hobbyists, providing a suite of tools that could probably design a Mars rover if you had enough coffee and time. Because it lives in the cloud, you can collaborate with fellow makers across the globe without the usual nightmare of tracking down the latest version of a file. It features an integrated manufacturing workspace that handles everything from 3D printing paths to CNC milling instructions, effectively acting as a translator between your brain and your tools. The interface is modern and intuitive, which is perfect for those who prefer to spend their time designing rather than hunting through menus with a magnifying glass. This software manages to make complex engineering tasks feel like child's play, provided you have a decent internet connection to keep its cloud brain happy. Number 3. Onshape. Onshape is what happens when someone decides that engineering software should be as accessible as a web browser, requiring absolutely zero installation to get started. It is the ultimate tool for the DIYer who jumps between a desktop, a laptop, and a tablet, as your projects follow you around like a loyal digital shadow. The Part Studio environment allows you to design multiple related parts in one space, ensuring your custom enclosures and lids actually fit together on the first try. Since it is cloud-native, every single click is saved automatically, meaning a sudden power outage is just a minor inconvenience rather than a reason to reconsider your life choices. Its version control system is a masterpiece of organization, letting you experiment with wild design changes on separate branches before merging them back into your main project. Collaboration is baked into its DNA, allowing you to share a live link with a partner so you can both poke at the same 3D model in real time. This browser-based marvel provides a seamless professional experience for teams who want to build the future from their living room sofa. Number 2. Tinkercad. Tinkercad serves as the friendly gateway drug for the DIY world, proving you don't need a PhD in mechanical engineering to create something functional and cool. It uses a brilliantly simple whole and solid logic where you combine basic geometric shapes like blocks, cylinders, and spheres to build your masterpiece. This web-based app is the perfect starting point for quick 3D printing projects, allowing you to knock out a custom spacer or a simple battery holder in the time it takes to toast a bagel. It even includes a circuits module where you can simulate electronics before you accidentally fry your real-world components with a misguided wiring choice. While it lacks the advanced surfacing of the big boy programs, its sheer ease of use makes it the undisputed king of rapid prototyping for beginners. The software stays light and fast in your browser, ensuring you spend more time making and less time staring at a loading bar. This approachable tool turns the daunting world of 3D design into a playground where the only limit is your own imagination and perhaps the size of your 3D printer's bed. Number 1. SketchUp Free. SketchUp Free is the reliable 3D napkin sketch of the engineering world, offering a push-pull simplicity that makes architectural and woodworking projects feel like a breeze. It excels at spatial design, letting you visualize a new workbench or a backyard shed with a level of speed that makes other software look like they are wading through molasses. The interface is famously clean, focusing on a few powerful tools that allow you to extrude 2D shapes into 3D objects with a single click. It features a massive 3D warehouse filled with millions of pre-made models, so you don't have to spend 3 hours designing a standard light bulb or a common power tool. While it leans more toward the maker side than the hardcore engineering side, its ability to quickly communicate scale and form is unmatched. This web-based version keeps your budget intact while providing a professional enough environment to impress your neighbors with your next big construction project. Choosing this tool is the digital equivalent of picking up a high-quality carpenter's pencil. It is simple, effective, and gets the job done without any unnecessary drama. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.